Hi there, I'm Royce Murphy, your trusted plumbing professional from Golden Rule. Welcome to our video guide on tankless water heaters, where we'll reveal the magic behind instant hot water and explore whether it's worth making the switch. Tankless water heaters are like hot water wizards. They don't store water in a tank like traditional heaters. Instead, they heat water on demand. When you turn on a hot water tap, cold water rushes in, and inside, a gas burner or electric element works its magic, instantly heating the water. And then within seconds, presto, you have hot water flowing from your faucet, shower, or appliance. Unlike traditional tanks, tankless heaters never leave you high and dry. With a tank, you might run out of hot water, but not with a tankless. They provide an endless supply, ensuring you never endure a shivering shower. Like any magic trick, there are trade-offs. They can be pricier up front, the flow rate might be limited, and proper venting is required for gas units. Is it worth the switch? Well, that depends. Tankless heaters are energy efficient, they provide endless hot water, they save space, and then they have longer lifespan than standard hot water heaters. With tankless heaters, it's just a few seconds. Turn the tap and hot water arrives almost instantly. So there you have it, how tankless water heaters work and whether they're right for you. Remember, it's not just about hot water, it's about comfort, efficiency, and the magic of never running out. So whether you're considering the switch or simply curious, your home's comfort is in your hands. The choice is yours, but with a tankless water heater, the convenience and luxury of hot water are always within reach. For more home tips and wizardry, visit our website or contact our plumbing experts at Golden Rule. Until next time, stay warm, stay cozy, and embrace the magic of instant hot water.